what do we mean by wisdom? This is wisdom literature. What is wisdom? Most people say, well, it's the ability to use knowledge in the right way. That's a reasonable instruction. Because there's two kinds of wisdom. There's the wisdom of this world that 1 Corinthians 2 talks about and James talks about. And there's divine wisdom from above. Jesus Christ is the personification of wisdom of God. We see that in Proverbs 8, very dramatically dramatized. And elsewhere in the epistles, of course. The word for wisdom is chokmah. Occurs 45 times here. Being knowledgeable, experienced, efficient in the areas of expertise is what some people would define it. But here it really includes a practical sagacity, mental acumen. But it also includes and really emphasizes moral upright living, which stems from a right relationship with God. That's the key to it. In fact, that leads to the key verse in the whole thing. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. That's where it all starts and ends. And that somebody asks you, what's the key verse in the book? Proverbs 9:10 is a safe bet. But this also says something else. The Hebrew concept of wisdom is unique. It's very distinctively different than that which is typically used in the world. It is specifically involved with fear of the Lord. And so the whole thing is to get a proper relationship with Him. So it's described as eternal in Proverbs 8. It's described as the creator of all things. Jim Dobson at one of our meetings once said, what's the first thing that was created? Even before the universe was created. The answer he was looking for was wisdom. It was there from the beginning, before all the other things. It actually was, because it was the personification of Christ. Wisdom describes the beloved of God in Proverbs 8. And to yield your life to Christ is to obey Him. To yield and obey Him is true wisdom.